everybody, we're back for another unboxing, and you can see that I have something here from Mystic's Little Gift and Company. Some wonderful Happy Mail. I know you've seen 2 unboxings from them recently, but there was something that was in the clearance section that I saw that was very intriguing to me. Now you can see that it is smaller in size than my standard rings that I've been using. It looks more like the size of my Filofax Ochre Malden in the personal size. This is a notebook that I've been using as our home binder, home planner, that type of a deal. And I also have an A5 that sometimes holds that stuff. But Anna sometimes has a sale or a clearance where she lists things that she makes for fun, or things that she makes and maybe they're perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with the leather. There's nothing wrong with the craftsmanship. But sometimes if she makes something and she puts rings in and they wanted strings, or if they wanted a different color thread, she will then put it in the clearance area, and she won't even announce. She'll just put them there. So it's sometimes kind of nice to look, and sometimes there's stuff there and sometimes there isn't. And when I went the other day, there was stuff there. So I decided to give this leather a try and see what it is. Ooh. Okay. This, it's backwards, okay. And it's got a gray elastic. And you can see it has rings. Who would have thought that the Traveler's Notebook guy in me would start to have this fascination with rings again? So this leather, I cannot remember the name of it, but it's like Tulle maybe? It feels, can you hear that? It's a firmer leather for sure, but it kind of reminds me of one of the leathers that Foxy Fix had. Ooh, is it leather? It might be, I don't know, I can't tell. She believed she could, so she did. That's a pretty card. So you can see it's silver rings in the personal size. And you can also look and see just how large those rings are for sure. And it has just the straight pocket, which I actually really like. I'm not sure what type of material this is. Is it leather? I think it's leather. I think it's a much more processed leather than this. This is a much more natural. But it has a a waxy coating sort of a feel to it. It reminds me of a Foxy Fix leather. It reminds me of that Zoe leather that they had. But just to show you, it's personal size. But the rings look huge. Here, I'll just kind of put some things in here, just so we can see. This is one of those silicone baggies. Here's a divider. I've got my 2021 printed out in personal size already. And that insert is a Paper and Cats insert. I was using her inserts in my personal for 2020, and so I just decided to get the 2021 as well. Yeah, because it's actually the first day of October, and I haven't opened up this planner yet. But I do have the yearly on a page from Filofax. This is a cloth and paper divider or dashboard or whatever you want to call it. There you go. Oh, and I do have this. This is that little front flyleaf that comes in the in the Filofax. And I usually put a bunch of Post-it notes on it. Very cool. And we just got a new microwave the other day. The one that I got in college when I first started my first master's degree in 1997 when I moved to Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I got it at Kmart. They had like one of those Kmarts that had like a grocery store on one side and the home goods and stuff on the other, kind of like a large Walmart or a Meijer's, or even like the new Targets now, but it was a Kmart. I got it when I moved down there, and it croaked this last week. I mean, we don't use a microwave all that often anyways, but yeah, it kind of, it croaked, so we had to get a new, microwave, and we decided just to get the protection plan since, I mean, that old microwave lasted, oh my goodness, 23 years, 23, 24, I don't know. It lasted a long time. And she does keep these a little on the loose side, so that way you can tighten it however much you need. But look at that. And it has the reinforced spine. I only have one other notebook by Anna that has a reinforced spine. And this is my passport. I had one that was a deluxe, or what did she call it? A wide that had 6 elastics. This is the one that I have that has 4 elastics. And I had 3 things that looked exactly like this. This is just a regular passport with the spine. Then I had the wide with the spine, which I would put rings in because it's perfect pocket size. And then I had a pocket ring. And they were all like mystery sale type items that I bought. So I thought it was cute, and they were at different times that I got the same thing. But yeah, look at that. So I thought I would add this to my collection of, and these aren't the dashboards or anything that I'm going to use in it. I'm going to use the monthly insert and the week. Actually, I'm not going to use the dividers. These I'm going to keep in my whatever this thing is called, my Filofax. I'm going to make some special ones for this myself. And if you continue to watch on YouTube, you will see the progression of this notebook and the progression of this notebook. But this is like the only thing I've been reaching for this week. I haven't reached for the Filofax. I usually sometimes do a little bit of doodling or sketching or little stuff in here, and then I put a new sketch insert in, but I haven't been very arty lately. So I wonder what that's about. But I just thought I would share one quick little unboxing of this beautiful Mystics Little Gifts, and I will leave a link down below, and I will also leave Rochelle's code. I think it's Rochelle20, and you'll get 20% off your order. I don't have a code with Mystics Little Gift. I don't, get a kickback if you buy anything. I really like her items. I like the leather she uses. I like the customer service. There's, that's why I'm using these. And I wanted leather. I wanted to go back into leather again. Something about the leather and the touch and the feel for fall just screams, So there we are. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And while you're down there leaving a question or a comment, click the little like button, click the subscribe button, and I know someone's going to click that little thumb down button, and that's fine. I totally get it. But it's probably because I am showing a Traveler's Notebook or a ring system that you don't like, or a company that you haven't bought with, or you prefer another company. So while you're being negative and leaving that thumb down, do something positive and leave a comment about who is your favorite company and what you like about them, and maybe you'll see something in the future from them. Okay, thanks so much. Bye-bye.